Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I got a little surprise. I ordered some parts for Project Silverado that we're gonna be putting on today. I also finally ordered the new bezel for the car. I got that in today also, so I'm gonna be putting that on, probably not today but some other day, because I have got to go back to just putting my little tablet on there for now. And then I just have to figure out how to get rid of the airbag light for this freaking car, because everybody's trying to charge me hella money for that. So just had to bring my car over here because I have all my tools. Unfortunately, my guy's truck got broken into, so they stole quite a bit of my tools, unfortunately. So I had to go to Costco and get a few tools from there, but I don't gotta do very much today, just because what I'm putting on isn't anything major. So let me show you guys what I got going on. So I ordered the handle for the back for the right here. You guys can see that's been missing. I ordered no tail lights for it. I also ordered the new handles for these back doors, because this one's broken. And then I also ordered a new center console. Well, the top part of the center console, because that's just, it's been broken and it's ridiculous. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be putting on today. After that, we'll see what else we can order. Yeah, this is gone. I was gonna super glue it, but then I'm like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. But yeah, guys, so that let me start on unpacking this stuff. I'm gonna start with the back, with the tail lights and this part. Get this done, just because water keeps getting into these tail lights and it keeps blowing the bulbs, and it's getting really annoying at this point because people keep stopping. Luckily the cops haven't pulled me over, but people keep stopping me and telling me like, hey, your tail lights out, your brake lights out, and it's like, oh god. So, you know, these are brand new bulbs too that I just got like not even 2 months ago. So yeah, guys, let me talk to you guys in a minute. Let me get this unpackaged and I'll see you a bit. All right, guys, so I just want to show you guys the difference right now. This is the new tail light, and this is the old ones right here. You guys can see like all this right here, it was all screwed up, broken, like the inside was peeling. So, and these look, I'm not gonna lie to you, these look smoked out. And the best part of waking up is Folgers in. No, I'm just kidding. They come with their own wiring harness, bulbs and everything, so I'm hoping that worked out pretty good. So that's pretty sweet. I already put in the new handle. Let's see if you guys can see it right there. Not a perfect fit, but it works. But yeah, well, let me get back to you guys in a minute. This is looking really good. All right, guys, so you can see I have the tail lights on. So much better. I got the rear handle on. So much better, guys. So much better. I just got to plug it in. Hopefully the plug is the same. If not, I'm gonna have to take them back off and put the old bulbs back on. But I gotta figure out how to fix this tailgate, because there's a huge gap here that obviously is not over here. So I'm guessing whenever my father-in-law got rear-ended, something happened that just messed that up. But I have to bang this in because that's just sticking out. So I'm gonna see how I can bang that back in. But for right now, this is looking so much better. Huge difference, guys. What, like, it's just astonishing how big of a difference small stuff like this can do to a truck. I also got to fix the rear bumper. I got to straighten that out. I got to figure out how to do that. But yeah, let me plug these taillights in, make sure they work, and I'll get back to you guys right now. Alright, guys, so pretty much the back is done. I got the taillights in, I already checked. They work. The bumper, I'm just gonna have to figure something out for there. I'm trying to fix this little edge too, but honestly I need like a sledgehammer or something to really get that one going. I'm not sure. It also doesn't help that this is kind of crooked right here, so you know, this is pushed in right here for some reason, so I gotta figure out how to push that out, I guess. I'm not exactly sure, but you guys can see that's not lined up with that, whereas over here it is. So I should have to figure that out pretty much on that. But besides that, the back is done. The last thing I'm gonna do today, because my battery's dying, is I'm just gonna put on the center console. These, since my tools got stolen, they stole these too, the little things that I need for here. So I'm just gonna go buy those. But yeah, for right now, the last thing I'm gonna do is just a center console, and that's pretty much gonna be it for today. I know this is a really short video, guys, but I just want to show you guys that I am working on Project Silverado. Also gotta fix this, but I am working on Project Silverado. It's slow, very slow process, because again, things are really expensive, and you know, we slowly got to get there. Project Colorado, I'm still debating on what I'm gonna do there, but yeah, I mean, I'll figure it out. Oh, they broke this when they broke into the truck. I have the piece up there, but they broke this. I don't know how they got into it, but this was locked and somehow they opened it. I don't know, you know, professionals. But yeah, so Project Silverado, I think the next step is just going to be, honestly, at this point, saving up money for the transmission, because it really needs the transmission. Once I get the transmission in, the engine is still doing okay. Once I get the transmission in, I'll probably get like some nice seat covers for it, because I found some really nice seat covers for it. I'll probably do that just to keep the interior, you know, more clean. And then I also got to do the top here. But yeah, Project Silverado's coming along, guys. We ordered new plates for it. I'm gonna have to fix the wheels, because my wife wants to keep the wheels for right now, so I'm gonna clean them up and then order the center caps for them. But yeah, let me put the center console in, guys, because my battery's dying, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, my battery's at 2%, but here's the center console. It's cost me a lot more trouble than it should have, but nice and clean. Replace that old broken thing. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a short video, but you know, I just want to make it for you guys with these parts that I ordered for the truck. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe and like. Thank you guys so much. See you later on the next one. Sorry for it's really dirty, but yeah, subscribe.